solve the equation 3r minus r plus 2 times the quantity of r plus 4 equals 24. So when asked to solve an equation, the goal is to get the variable isolated or completely by itself on one side of the equal sign. In this particular equation, we actually have our variable located in 3 different spots of the equation. It's in 3r minus r and inside the parentheses with the r plus 4. So we want to try to combine all those terms with the variables, especially because they are like terms, so we only see that variable term once before we start using inverse operations. So in order to do that, we can combine the 3r minus 1r, but we can't combine that with the r plus 4 since it's inside the parentheses. Our first step has to be to use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses and rewrite 2 times the quantity of r plus 4. We need to multiply that 2 by everything on the inside of the parentheses. So that will give us 3r minus, we'll say 1r, now plus 2r plus 8 equals 24. And now that we've used the distributive property, we can combine the like terms. We can simplify 3r minus 1r is 2r, plus the other 2r is 4r. Now plus 8 equals 24. Now that we have our left side of the equation simplified completely, we've distributed, we combined our like terms, we can now use our inverse operations to get that variable r by itself. So if the r is being multiplied by 4 and added by 8, first we'll undo adding 8 by subtracting 8. And if we do it on the left, we have to also do it on the right to keep the equation balanced. That will leave us with 4r equals 16. We then have multiplying by 4 left, so we'll now divide by 4 on both sides, leaving us with r equals 4. The variable is completely isolated, so if it equals 4, that makes our answer choice B.